Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a logo on different niches and how you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and how you can also go to google.com and search websites related to your niche and contact them and ask them about your services. They will surely hire you, or you can target the offline market, or you can go to social media pages, or you can make logo for your own business. So it is a very premium skill, and opportunities are limitless in this skill. So let's go. The software in which we created a logo is called Canva, and in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a logo for marketing company. So our company name is Zen Marketing, so let's make logo for Zen Marketing. So I'm going towards canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available online, and it is very handy and easy to use. You can learn this in some time. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I uploaded a complete playlist on Canva designing. You can watch from there, and after that I surely say that you know almost everything about Canva. So let's move towards our video. So I click on create a design, and here I search for logo. So 500 by 500 pixel is most widely used size template for logo. So we select this, and after that I click on elements, and here I search for marketing, and our theme should be blue and white. Graphics, and let's see. I like this one, but let's see. I think the previous one is good, this one is good. So I change the color should be white, and it's look good. After that click on text, and here I search Zen Marketing, and we have to change the font. Deja use serif, no Helvetica word, yeah. So it's not look good, so we have to change, and I think it's look good, but we have to expand it, and this and this and this and this, so it's look good. So I think that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.